Hey guys, my name is Vince here from Stillwell Ford and Unley. There are some pretty big changes to 2026.5 Ranger trims. Come with me as I go through all of them. So the rumours are true. They're replacing the 4-cylinder bi-turbo in the Rangers with a single turbo 4-cylinder diesel, which does have a timing chain. This motor would produce 125 kilowatts and just over 400 newton meters of torque. And the V6 will become available in every single trim of Ranger. Ford are also dropping the sport trim of the Ranger. In its place, they are bringing in the Wolftrak trim, which will be very similar to a sport, but it's got a slightly more off-road focus with black 17-inch wheels and all-terrain tyres. It's also coming with features that were previously options on the sport, such as the touring pack with a 360-degree camera. There's also another trim coming to the Ranger lineup, which is the Ranger Tremor. The Tremor was previously an exclusive special edition, but this time around it's coming to stay. The Ranger Tremor is very similar in specs to the Everest Tremor, so it has your all-terrain tyres, the AT3 General Grabbers, and it's also lifted 26 millimeters for a bit more ground clearance. It's also just a bit wider than the factory Ranger by about 30 millimeters in track width, just for a bit more off-road performance. There are also some pretty big colour changes to the lineup. So they're dropping the Equinox Bronze in the Ranger Platinum, similar to how they are dropping in the Everest Platinum, and they are replacing that with an Acacia green colour. They're also dropping the Lux Yellow in the Ranger Wildtrak and replacing that with Ignite Orange. And unique to the Wolftrak trim, they are bringing out a new colour called the Traction Green. The biggest news for the Super Duty lovers is they are finally bringing out the 2026.5 XLT. This will have all those comfort features that everyone has been desiring from Super Duty, such as carpet flooring standard. There are also some big runout offers currently going on for some of the Ranger trims. So for all the bi-turbo Rangers, they are offering what was a 4K fuel card, but now it's changed to a 5K. This is just a runout offer to sell out the rest of the bi-turbo stock to make room for that new motor, as I just mentioned. That also applies to the V6 XLT and V6 Wildtrak Rangers. So you can use this as in-deal discount, or just take the $5,000 fuel card after delivery of your car, and you can spend that at a petrol station. The other kind of big change is to the Wildtrak. Features that were previously options in the Wildtrak in the premium pack, as many people know it, have become standard. One of these is the LED matrix headlights. They've now become standard in the 2026.5 Wildtraks. And the other is the Bang Olufsen sound system, which is a much loved system by all of our clients. So instead, they are now factory options in the new Wildtrak. If you have any questions at all about these new Ranger trims, feel free to leave them in the comments below and we'll do our best to get back to you in a timely manner. Or alternatively, you can reach out directly to us on our website. There are contact details, our email and phone number. Give us a call directly and speak with one of our consultants who can tell you everything about these Ranger trims.